To fix an LG top-load washer that won't turn on. A likely cause is a malfunctioned control board. A potential solution is to reset the unit by unplugging the washer. Pressing and holding the power button for 5 seconds. Then pressing and holding the pause button for 5 seconds. And finally re-plugging the washer. If this doesn't work, replacing the control board may be necessary. To do this, shut down and unplug the washer. Consult the user manual to locate the control board, and extract the panels to access it. Before disassembling, take a photo to reference later. Remove the faulty control board and replace it with a new one, using the photo as a guide for correct installation. Once the new control board is in place, reassemble the panels. Another possible cause is a faulty noise filter, which can only be resolved by replacing it. To do this, turn off and unplug the machine. Locate the noise filter using the user manual. Remove the panels to access it, and extract the screws and detach the wire harness. Then, install the new filter. Reconnect the wire harness, and reassemble the panels. By following these steps, it's possible to fix an LG top-load washer that won't turn on.